plumbing software under $100 a month can cover nearly every daily office task if you choose a plan with the right features, instead of simply picking the lowest advertised price. By the end of this, you'll know what features matter most, which hidden costs to compare, and how to find software that gives your plumbing business the best value. Start with the essentials. A plumbing company typically needs scheduling, dispatching, customer management, estimating, invoicing, payment collection, and mobile access for technicians. If a platform handles those jobs well, it can replace paperwork, reduce scheduling mistakes, and keep customer information organized in one place. Now look at pricing. Most plumbing software providers offer several subscription tiers. Lower-priced plans usually include the core tools needed by smaller businesses, while advanced reporting, workflow automation, inventory management, and larger team support may require higher-level subscriptions. That makes feature comparison more important than price comparison. Next, think about your technicians. A mobile app allows field staff to receive job assignments, update work status, create invoices, and collect customer signatures without returning to the office. That saves time and helps jobs move through the system more efficiently. Now consider integrations. Many plumbing businesses use accounting software, payment processors, and communication tools alongside their field service software. Choosing a platform that works with your existing systems can reduce duplicate data entry and simplify office work. Another important factor is business growth. Software that supports a small team today should also accommodate additional plumbers as your company expands. Changing systems later often costs more than selecting software that can grow with your business from the beginning. Customer support also deserves attention. When scheduling problems or invoice issues appear during the workday, fast technical support helps keep your business operating without unnecessary delays. Reliable support becomes part of the software's overall value. One mistake many business owners make is choosing software based only on the monthly subscription. If you later need paid add-ons or separate applications to cover missing features, the lower-priced option may end up costing more over time. The total cost of ownership is the comparison that really matters. To sum it up, the best plumbing software under $100 a month should include scheduling, dispatching, customer management, estimates, invoicing, mobile access, and the flexibility to grow with your business. Your next step is simple. Make a list of the features your office and field crews use every day. Compare those against the available plans, and calculate the complete monthly cost before choosing a platform. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more software comparisons, pricing breakdowns, and practical buying guides that help plumbing businesses choose the right technology. Skriptoundein. Idle Start. Best electrical contractor software. Under $100 a month, 2026. Idle Endod. Oinadan Semen, and Sorisen Bikequick, Ilnestrektan Kebe. Several electrical contractor platforms include estimating, scheduling, invoicing, and mobile job management for less than $100 a month, but the feature sets are very different. Paying less only makes sense if the software still handles the jobs you do every day. By the end of this video, you'll know which types of electrical businesses should look at each budget-friendly option and how to compare them before signing up. If your budget tops out at around $100 per month, focus on software built for small teams instead of enterprise contractors. Many lower-cost platforms include customer management, job scheduling, digital estimates, invoices, online payments, and mobile apps without requiring expensive custom pricing. The first option to consider is Jobber. It's popular with small service businesses because it combines scheduling, quoting, invoicing, customer communication, and payment collection in one dashboard. If you're running a small electrical company with one or a few technicians, Jobber covers most daily operations without overwhelming you with features you'll never use. Another strong choice is Housecall Pro. It offers online booking, dispatching, estimates, invoices, and payment processing in a clean interface. Businesses that want office staff and field technicians working from the same system often find it easy to learn. Workiz is another platform worth comparing. It focuses on scheduling, dispatching, customer communication, and reporting. If you receive a high volume of incoming calls, its communication tools may be more important than advanced project management features. Field Pulse is designed for contractors who want stronger asset management, customer history, estimates, and technician workflows. It also works well for companies planning to grow beyond a single crew. If your business mainly handles larger commercial projects, instead of residential service calls, platforms like ServiceTitan or Simpro may offer more advanced capabilities. The trade-off is that they generally target larger businesses, and often cost well beyond a $100 monthly budget. Before choosing any software, make a checklist of your daily workflow. Create a test estimate, schedule a technician, generate an invoice, collect a payment, and check the mobile app. If those tasks feel simple during the trial, the software is probably a better fit than a platform loaded with features you won't use. The best electrical contractor software under $100 a month depends less on the cheapest subscription and more on the value you get. Compare the features you actually need, test the mobile experience, and confirm the pricing fits your business before committing. If you're ready to choose, start free trials of your top 2 options and run a real job through both systems. That comparison usually makes the decision much easier. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more software comparisons and cost guides.